Hi guys, we are here na sa Sparwood. Sparwood to see the biggest truck. The biggest truck of the world. Kuya, it's the biggest truck of the world.
But
Huh?
yeah, but it says the building is bigger than the big truck.
Yeah, but look at
Hug
that.
me, Dad. Hug me, Dad. Hug me, Dad.
So here, Sparwood, BC, yours and mine. So, hey guys, here's the biggest truck of the world, guys. Look at the tires. Look at that. Just the tires alone. Wow, look at that. See, grabe. So yan guys, grabe ang laki. This is so big. Imagine, oh, look at that. Look at that truck. Ito yung gulong niya guys. Oh, wow. 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 Look at that. Grabe. Ah, look at that. It's a big one. Ito mami gamitin. Oh, naka. No, wait. Wait, oh, this is so big. This is so big. It's the biggest truck. Look at that.
Wait, Daddy.
Wow. Can you see us?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Selfie ka na.
Wait,
Wow, look at that.
Daddy.
Look. Salita ka dyan. Tayo mo si Mami.
Yung dalawa ay gulo. Grabe no? Grabe.
Tamak! Kita na! Kita na! Matong bata. Wow! Grabe. So big. Wow. So, yan guys. The biggest truck. Huh? The biggest truck. And you will ask, what is this truck used for? Right? This is so big. So this truck is used for mining. So in the 18 here, I'll give you guys there. We mine for everyone. Coal deposits were discovered in the Crossnest Pass region in the 1850s. There. So they are for coal. Yung coal. Like that. So isn't that so cool? The cool is yan. So mukhang malamig na guys. Ganda pa ng view dito. Yan. Ganda ng view. Wow, ganda ng view. Ganda ng view.
The biggest truck in the world. It's the biggest truck in the world. Gagawa mo.
Ano nga ba sa kanya? Bakit may dalas yung shoulder bag? Saan bang lakad niya? Ito, may dalas yung shoulder bag. Saan ang punta mo? Sir! Ba't may dala kang shoulder bag?
Iniwa mo yung dalawa. Grabe. That's laki, no? Yan yung kanya figures. Ano to? Welcome to Sparwoods. Ganda ng ano, bundok.